Dr. Huebner here, natural transplant, speaking about Norwood 4. So Norwood 4 on a scale of 1 to 7 is basically the recession in the front where you have, clearing out of the hairline. A lot of people say they have a widow's peak or widow's curve in the middle. But in addition to that, you have a clearing out of the circular area or crown in the back. So this is by definition what a Norwood 4 would represent. You have some type of crown. It could be a small crown, it could be a large crown. So there's different degrees of Norwood 4, but generally it's considered a moderate amount of male pattern baldness. At this point, definitely would be a candidate for a hair transplant in these areas. Again, also considering preventative treatments like minoxidil, finasteride, laser helmets, because this can also progress even more to a Norwood 5 and 6, which I'll talk about later. But Norwood 4, we have a lot of clients coming in at Norwood 4 stage. You can check out our website at naturaltransplants.com where we have over 1,000 videos, and you can see exactly what you can do when you're a Norwood 4, because you can completely get your hair back at this stage with treatments. Sometimes it does take more than one treatment to do these types of surgeries, or to get their hair back in these areas, but this is definitely a candidate for a hair transplant. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, 844-327-4247, or check out our website, naturaltransplants.com, Norwood 4.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.